G'day guys, James Croft here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the assignments tool in Connect. Now, it used to be called the Dropbox tool, so you know the Dropbox tool, you know the assignments tool. It's a simple way for you to receive work from your students, mark it, and then return it to them, all via Connect. Let's take a look.
It's not just the usual Word document-based assessments we're talking about either. Work can be received in the assignments tool in almost any file format, like video, audio, images, documents, zip files, and more, which means students can submit content most suited to what they need to communicate rather than some arbitrary file format. This kind of flexibility can have a huge benefit for both students and teachers when it comes to the demonstration of competency. To start, we're at the assignment submission folders page. Here, we can see all the current submission folders in our unit, along with the total amount of files, whether it's been read or is unread, whether a submission is flagged or not, and any due dates that you've set. There's also a small award icon next to each folder. This indicates whether it is tied to a grade item or not. Now, let's take a look at the submission folder, Assessment Task Number 2. From the top, we see a few buttons. The first is for editing a submission folder. The next allows us to instantly email users who have not yet uploaded the submission to remind them that this assessment is due. Following that, there is the Add Feedback Files button, which allows us to download and evaluate submissions offline, then upload them back to Connect. More on this in a later video. And lastly, there is the submission log, which opens a log of the activity that has occurred in this folder, including where a student is at with their submission and any other changes that have occurred. For now, let's browse down the page. We can search and sort the submissions that have been uploaded in a variety of ways. By switching tabs, I can sort by user or by files received. We can also expand the search options to include a variety of other filters like names, dates, submission criteria, or feedback. For now, let's only show users with unread submissions. I'll check the box for Only Show Users with Unread Submissions, then apply it by clicking the search icon. You can see here I have 2 unread submissions. Let's take a look at this first submission by clicking on the title of the file that's been submitted. From here, we can see the marking interface for this submission folder. We have the student submission pane on the left and the marking interface pane on the right. We also have a bar up the top that allows me to quickly jump from one student to another. Connect allows you to view a variety of file types without needing to download them. This is a Word document, but what's nice is that I don't actually have to have Microsoft Office installed or have Word open to see the contents. I can zoom in and out of the document, I can resize it to fill the page, I can jump from page to page, and even strip away the formatting and simply view the text. If I need to, I can also download the document as a file to my computer. On the marking pane, I can see the student and some quick links to email, instant messages, the student's profile, and their class progress. Under that, I can expand the info about the submission folder and the folder dates. However, the most important part is the evaluation area, where I can assign a score. Let's give a score of 2 out of 2. If we look at the student view preview, it now shows a score of satisfactory. This is drawn from the grade scheme selected in the grade item that's linked to this assessment. I can also click the linked grade item to see an overview of all student results. Let's go back and quickly leave some feedback for this student. From here, I can publish their result or save it as a draft if I don't want them to see their result immediately. Now we can move on to the next student. This is a good way to quickly mark all of your student submissions. Finally, we can see the status of submissions on the right side, including results that have been published, results that are in draft, and submissions that are yet to be marked. The Assignments tool is a great all-in-one tool for receiving and assessing student work while simultaneously allowing you to quickly and easily provide students with feedback and feed results through to the Grades tool to formalize student progress.